Okay, my heroes, today's lesson is the fourth lesson in topic 8, generate equivalent fractions, division. So we will use division. Let's see what are the questions that we should solve today. In question 3 here, divide to find equivalent fractions. In question 3 we have a fraction 6/10. We need to find an equivalent fraction using division. So that's what we are going to do today. All questions are the same. We use division to find equivalent fractions. Now my heroes, let's open our books. And please tell me what page is this?
430.
Yes, thank you my heroes, 430. And now my heroes, I will play a video. I want you to focus with the video and please do not use your mics unless I ask you to do so.
How can you use division to find equivalent fractions?
Let's find.
Okay, I will start over again.
How can you use division to find equivalent fractions?
Let's find out.
In early May, Fairbanks, Alaska has daylight for 18/24 of the day. What are some fractions equivalent to 18/24? Fairbanks has daylight 18 hours a day in May. Why is this 18/24 of a day? There are 24 hours in a day, and 18 out of 24 hours is 18/24. You need to find some fractions equivalent to 18/24. What does the model represent? It represents a 24-hour day. The blue part of the model represents the hours of daylight. What does the gray part represent?
Me, Mr.
Okay, Malik.
Mr. Me, I know it. It's in the night.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Malik.
The gray part of the model represents the nighttime hours. The blue and gray parts combined represent all of the hours in a day. A common factor is a factor two or more numbers have in common. To find equivalent fractions, divide the numerator and the denominator by a common factor greater than 1. Two common factors of 18.
Ibrahim Jagaiman? Ibrahim Jagaiman?
Yes.
You are not focusing or what?
18 and 24 are 2 and 3. Divide the numerator and denominator by 2. If the day is split into 2-hour sections, what fraction of the day is daylight? 18/24 divided by 2 halves equals 9/12. 9 of the 12 2-hour sections represent daylight. 18/24 of a day is equal to 9/12 of a day. Divide the numerator and denominator by 3. If the day is split into 3-hour sections, what fraction of the day is daylight?
Okay, let's do this. Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher. Mr. Me, please.
Malik, you will get a note if you use your mic without permission. Everyone, do not use your mics without permission. Okay, Abdurrahman, go ahead.
18 divided 3 equals 6. And 24 divided 3 equals 24. 24 divided 3
Yes.
equal 8.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, let's continue.
18/24 divided by 3/3 equals 6/8. 6 of the 8 3-hour sections represent daylight. 18/24 of a day is equal to 6/8 of a day. 18/24, 9/12, and 6/8 are equivalent fractions. Could you divide the numerator and denominator of 18/24 by 4 to find an equivalent fraction? Why or why not?
Okay, Saleh. Abdurrahman, you have a note?
Mr. Me and Saleh.
Okay, Saleh, go ahead. Can we divide by 4?
Divide by 4. Yes.
Okay, so if you try to divide by 4, 18 divided by 4 will be?
18 divided by 4.
Okay,
18 divided.
let's try this lesson.
You get an equivalent fraction when you divide the numerator and denominator of 18/24 by 3. Do you get an equivalent fraction when you divide the numerator and denominator by 4? Drag rectangles onto the model to see.
So this rectangle is 4 hours, represents 4 hours, okay?
Okay.
Let's use
Okay.
it.
Okay.
So this is the first 4 hours, and this is the
Two.
second,
The third. The fourth.
oh,
Oh.
so can we use them as 4 hours each? In each section 4 hours? Can I use
No.
this section? No, because
No.
I cannot use this section. Okay, so we cannot
Okay.
divide by 4. And my hero, if you try to divide by 4, 18 is not
We can.
divisible by 4 because you don't have any number that you multiply by 4 to get 18. Right?
Okay.
Okay,
I know,
thank
Mr.
you, my
It
hero.
will be 4 and half.
No, 4 is not a factor of 18, so it is not a common factor of 18 and 24. Can you divide the numerator and denominator by 2 different numbers?
Okay, Saleh, please mute your mic. Abdulaziz Khalid. Abdulaziz Khalid.
What, Mr.?
Can we divide the numerator and the denominator by different numbers?
No.
No. Excellent. Thank you for answer.
No. Dividing by 1, like multiplying by 1, does not change the value of a number. So you must divide the numerator and denominator by the same whole number, so you are dividing by 1. What is another common factor of 18 and 24?
Select your answer.
Ahmed Fahad.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, Ahmed, so we have here common factors. 2 is a common factor, and 3 also is a common factor. Which of these numbers is another common factor for 18 and 24? I need
6.
the 6 is a common factor, so you should tell me 18 divided by 6 gives what, and 24 divided by 6 gives what?
What?
18 divided by 6 equals?
6.
Oh, 6 times 6 is not 18.
No. Uh, 9.
No, 9 times 6 is not 18.
9 times 6.
What number multiplied by 6 gives 18?
I don't know.
Oh! You don't keep the timetable of 6?
No, I know it.
Okay, 6 multiplied by 2 equals?
12.
And 6 multiplied by 3 equals?
What?
6 multiplied by 3?
6 multiplied 3.
Yes.
20. 21.
Oh no. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18.
18.
So, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. And 24 divided by 6 equals?
What? I did this in you because
24 divided by 6 equals?
um, 20. I don't know.
Okay, you have a note because you don't keep the table.
What is no?
Okay, this is not the first time, Ahmed. I told you many times. You cannot solve any question without keeping the timetable. Okay? So you choose the 6 in random. And I don't like when you choose in random. Okay? And Ahmed, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So,
I
yes,
see
we
3
can
and 3
divide.
and I see 6. Just
We can divide by 6 both the 18 and the 24. So the correct answer here is 6.
6 is another common factor of 18 and 24. You could divide the numerator and denominator by 6 to find another equivalent fraction. Now you know how to use division to find equivalent fractions.
Okay, my heroes, now back to the book and move to the next page. We are solving question number 3. Divide to find equivalent fraction. Ali Dokhi,
can I answer?
please do not use your mic without permission. Ali Dokhi. Abdullah Mubarak. Muhammad Jamal.
Here, but 1 minute to start opening the page.
Okay,
Yeah, please.
quickly. This is Muhammad Jamal, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Muhammad. Go ahead.
2.
We need to divide by a number.
3.
We can divide by 3 or by 2. What is the common factor for 6 and 10? It's 2. So we are
2.
dividing by 2, both numerator and denominator. Go ahead.
5. First one, 3.
6 divided by 2 equals 3.
And 2 divided 10 equals
10 divided
5.
by 2 equals 5. It's 10 divided by 2, not 2 divided by 10. Yes, so this is 3/5. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Riyadh. Abdulaziz Abbas.
Yes.
Okay, Abdulaziz. 8 and 12. What is the common factor for 8 and 12?
8 and 12, 2.
Okay, let's divide by 2. Both numerator and denominator. 8 divided by 2 equals
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
and 12 divided by 2 equals
22?
oh no, this is divide.
No. Divide.
What number multiplied by 2 gives 12?
12, 6.
Yes, so 12 divided 2 equals 6, and the equivalent fraction is, can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay, read this
4
fraction.
over 6.
Oh no, this is not reading. This is not how to read it. We read it 4 sixths.
4 sixths.
Yes, because we call this 1/6. So this is 4 sixths. Okay, let's move to the next question. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Danielle. Danielle Haji. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Yes, here, Mr.
Okay, Ibrahim. Here we have 3 in the denominator, so we should choose the 12 by what number to get 3?
1 minute. 4. No, 1 minute. No,
3 times 4
Three.
equals 12, yes.
no.
No what?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
So, what number are we dividing by? I think you said 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we should divide also the numerator by the same number, which is 4.
4.
Okay, 8 divided by 4 equals
1 minute. 2.
yes, it's 2. So, this fraction is the equivalent fraction to 8/12. Can you read this fraction?
What?
Can you read the fraction?
Okay. Okay. I will read this.
Yes?
Minute. Okay.
All this time to read this fraction? Okay, this fraction is read 1/3. So this one is 2/3. That's all. So what is this fraction again?
2/3. Your voice is lagging. I didn't
2/3.
anything.
And as you see, my heroes, in question number 4 and in question number 5, we have the same fraction, 8/12. And as you can see, we may get more than one equivalent fraction. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Ibrahim. Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
We have only one Ibrahim. Ibrahim Jalala?
Mr. We have to Ibrahim Jalala.
Oh, sorry. Ibrahim Jalala. Malik Salman? Muhammad Raed?
Here.
Okay, this is Muhammad. Go ahead.
And divide 2.
So, we divide 12 also by?
2.
Okay, and 12 divided 2 equals?
6.
Excellent. Can you read the fraction?
5 sixths.
Excellent. 5 sixths. Okay, let's move to the next question. I like my heroes. Abdulaziz Rawashid.
I'm Malik Salman.
Okay, Malik.
Teacher, I write 2, it's correct, or no, 3 I write.
You write 12 divided by 2 equals 3? Of course, wrong.
Mister,
No, 6.
I
right.
finished 3, 5, 6, and 7. With 8.
Okay. Malik Salman,
Yes.
go ahead.
2.
So we divide by 2. Yes, 2 divided 2 equals 1. Read the fraction. Read it.
1/5.
1/5. Excellent. Great work. Okay, Abdulaziz Rawashid.
Yes.
Abdulaziz Khalid, mute your mic. Okay, Abdulaziz Rawashid. We're dividing by? Abdulaziz, what are we dividing by? Abdulaziz, can you hear me?
Yes.
100 divided by 10 equals what? Divide these two numbers to get the number that we are dividing by.
Ten, teacher.
So we are dividing by 10. So we need to divide also the numerator by 10. And 10 divided 10 equals?
1.
Great. So the fraction is, read the fraction.
1/10.
Excellent. 1/10. Okay, thank you, my hero. And my heroes, do you have any questions? Any problems? So now I will send to you the link of the game. Yes, you have a problem? Okay, now I will send to you the link of the game and I will stop sharing my screen. So everyone, please focus with me. And let's go ahead. Ali Isa. Ali Isa.
Yes, mister.
Which fraction is equivalent to 1?
It's 5 by 5.
Read it correctly.
It's 5 5.
Fifths. Yes, thank you, my hero. 5/5 is the fraction that is equivalent to whole 1. Okay, the next question. Ala. Ala Hussam.
Yeah, mister.
Which fraction is equivalent to 4/8?
Uh,
What are we dividing by? What is the common factor here?
I
What number can you divide by?
I can divide.
What is the common factor? You have a noise around you.
2.
Yes, you can divide by 2. Let's try it. 4 divided by 2.
4
Quickly,
divided
Ala.
by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2.
8 divided by 2.
4.
Do you have this answer?
No.
Okay, so choose another common factor. What number can we divide by other than 2? Can we divide by 4?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and divide by 4. 4 divided 4.
4 divided 4 equal 1.
And
8 divided 4 equal 2.
so, which one is the correct choice?
1 2ths.
No, this is called 1/2. Okay, thank you, Ala. And my heroes, let's move to the next question. And Hussein? Hussein?
Yes.
Which fraction is equivalent to 4/6? What is the common factor? What number can we divide by?
2.
Okay, so let's divide by 2. 4 divided by 2. Hussein?
2.
4 divided 2 equals?
4 divided 2 equal 2.
And 6 divided by 2 equals?
3.
So, which one is the correct answer?
2 over 3.
Can you read it?
2 under 3.
Can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay, read it.
2 under 3. 2 over 3.
No. 2/3.
2 over.
Okay, thank you, my hero. And let's move to the next question. Okay, I'll move down so we can see 2 questions on the same page. Ali Riyad? Ali Raed? Okay, Ali. Which fraction is equivalent to 6/12? We can divide by? Ali?
Yes.
We can divide by what? Okay, so 6 divided by 6 equals?
1.
And 12 divided by 6 equals?
2.
So, can you read the fraction?
1 2.
No. That's not how to read it.
1 and
Okay, can anyone tell me how to read this fraction? My heroes. This is 1/2. Okay, the next question, Maitham. Maitham? Muhammad Al-Humaydan?
Yes, Mister.
Go ahead.
I am here. Which fraction
Okay,
is equivalent?
what is the common factor? Go quickly. What is the common factor? We can divide by 3, right?
Yes.
6 divided by 3 equals?
2.
And
9
9 divided by 3?
equals 3.
Read the fraction.
2/3.
2/3. Excellent. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question. And in the next question, we need to find the fraction equivalent to 10/50th. We can read this 10/50 or 10/50ths. Muhammad Hisham.
Here.
Okay, Muhammad, what is the common factor?
Number 6 or 7.
What is the common factor, Muhammad?
8.
I think it's 10 because I can divide both of them by 10. So, if we divide 10 by 10, it will be
10 by 10.
10 divided 10 equals 1, and 50 divided 10 equals 5. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. And in the next question, my heroes, you can divide by 3. You can divide by 5. You will get 3/4. In the next question, question number 8, you can divide by 7. You will get 1/3. Okay, my heroes, do you have any questions? Any problems? Okay, thank you, everyone. This is the end of our session. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.
Try it. It actually works.